So this is the program itself, where we pick out what tools we're going to use, how deep everything goes, right? Because every tool has to go to a certain depth, a certain speed, all that type of stuff. Lastly, on the machine, that program makes this code, which is basically thousands of lines of instruction. This is all the math to tell it to, here's our list of tools, our spindle speed, so how fast is the tool spinning, how fast is it moving, where to go, so that causes it to run around the part and do the work.